racing just is started. We have double O break weak later start, moving up on the outside and out, diving through the ladies piece of my wish. There is Phil, Jackie Rodeo, Garcia Fernandez, left unseated on maximum impact, and going along for the first turn we have piece of my wish. Hokey Hoke is right behind in second, double O is racing in third, then next on line now is Smart and Double. Down on the inside is Majestic Queen. Counselor comes next. Then down on the inside is Good Move. Is Strong Boy. Moving up on the outside is Slim Princess. Then comes Newsmaker. While a toy for us is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Inside the dress Octavo, we have Piece of My Wish maintaining a length lead. And in second, Hokey Hawk, Double O, Majestic Queen is Smart and Double is moving up on the outside. Fifth is Tromboy comes next, then comes Good Move. Counselor, Slim Princess, Atoy for us second last, while Newsmaker now running at the tail of the field as they swing for home. The lead now belongs to Double O by over a length. Down on the inside, Hokey Hawk is Smart and Double is on the outside. Last 100 meters, we have Double O followed by Smart and Double, and finally the curtain closer. Double O, Smart and Double, Hokey Hawk, Majestic Queen, then comes Strong Boy and Slim Princess for your Super 6.
Klaro naman, it's 295 3612. So ang winner